Hey guys, what's up? Todd here. Happy Easter. Doing a little work here on Sunday. Then we're going to go to dinner with the family and go have some fun. So I hope you're having a good time with the fam and enjoying your weekend. Guys, we're going to talk about three things here in the video. We're going to talk about the Freeport position that we put out originally March 12th. I'm going to update you on that position. We're going to take a look at crude oil, and we're going to take a look at the small cap Russell. Okay, so to start, we did a video back in March 12th on Freeport, and here it is right here. Let me get out of my own way. We were looking for Freeport to go from $9 up to about $11. That's that highlighted zone in this video. So here's where we are. We did get up to that $11 zone, and we've since backed away. So here's what I think we're doing. I think we're inside of this black circle wave 4. Black circle wave 4 should find support in this big old thick zone of fib support right there, okay? So that wave 4 is gonna match up against this wave 2 back in Feb. And you say, what's all this stuff up here? Well, that's the 5-wave subdivision of black 3. Now we're going down in black 4. So if you recall, the position we have on is a call front spread. So we're long, I just have a half position. We're gonna look to put the other half on probably tomorrow. We're long the 10 calls in April and short twice as many of the 12 calls. So that's a call front spread. So right now the position is theta positive, just $2.50. It's got positive deltas. And again, what we're looking for here, being long the 10 calls, we want to stay above 10. Okay, the zone of support is between $8 and $9. So whatever this fourth wave, however it unfolds, we should stay above the $10 region and then move up ultimately towards the $12 to $13 region wave 5. So we want it to move higher at a slow rate or just go sideways so we can collect the decay on the 12s and stay in the money on the 10s. So that's fine, kind of a fun position. We're kind of messing around with it. We are at money in the trade small, but we're gonna look to add and just kind of play that for the wave 5. The other thing I want to update you on is crude oil. Okay, so here's where we are in crude oil. Same thing, I'm looking at a wave 1, 2, a nice old wave 3 rally, and you might say, well, what's all this garbage in the middle? Well, those two highlighted zones, though, those are your second and fourth waves inside of wave 3, right? Your wave 3 usually breaks down into 5 clean waves. Now we're going lower in this black circle wave 4. So, where should we find support? Well, wave 4 should find support between 39 and $36. Eventually, we do move up there in wave 5, so I don't think it's time to be short crude. And then I was just discussing this with members in the member video. If you were to overlay the SPOOs on top of it, there's still a very tight correlation between crude futures and S&P futures. So let's just give that a second to pull in the data, and I think you'll see it's pretty tight. Okay, so there it is, not bad. Let me just kind of adjust the S&P future scale on the left. Crude oil still on the right. I mean, when the market goes sideways inside of those consolidations, you can see the two kind of wander, which really should happen in sideways consolidations. But then once both broke up to the top side, they went right back on top of each other. So where crude oil goes, the S&P futures go, which is where commodities go, materials, energies. I mean, those are really the key sectors in here. So that looks pretty good on the top side. The other one I want to draw your attention to is small caps. So small caps actually look pretty well bid here. Same, it's a fourth wave right here. I have this as kind of a red 1, and then we do an ABC, which is called an expanded flat 2. We're going up in 3, then we're actually doing another ABC flat. We have a wave 4 support from the old highs here at 1040. Let's do our wave 4 support. I'm just hotkeying it here, Alt 4, just looking for a quick zone. Looks like we have a pretty good zone of support. Let me just do this live for you here. And let me do A and C as well as C and B. I'm going to pack this zone full of fib support for you. Pin it, Alt C again. And let's zoom in and get the support level here. So it looks like we have two kind of zones. It's pretty thick. It's kind of hard. There's a lot of support there, 1070 down to 1040. So 30 points wide in the Russell there. Support should be found in this zone. Anything below 1037, and I would say I'm wrong in the count, and we want to step to the side. So, guys, that's a quick update on Freeport, on crude, small caps. It looks like the upside is going to continue to be in play. And again, guys, thank you so much for the likes on these videos. You guys have been great with that. It really helps promote the content. And again, what I'm trying to do is I'm really trying to make a big push towards YouTube. I'm really enjoying it. So much fun. I actually watch YouTube now more than TV. Like, I hardly watch TV. I just watch YouTube. So if you don't mind, here on the videos, if you hit that little thumbs up button on the YouTube window, it's a huge help. And leave a comment below. Comment, question, insult. I answer all of them. So that's great. I appreciate it, guys. And we'll leave it there and have a great week. You're still here? I guess you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and click the thumbs up button or subscribe to this channel directly below, and you'll get the videos in real time. Or you're gonna have 7 years of bad luck trading and you have to babysit Jake and Brody.